JDM car park spot. You can hear banging noises from the Skylines. And you keep on going. So my guess is R34 GTT and R33 GTT just competing against each other. And now he stops. So that was not nice, was it? Came here too late. Yeah, the color is beautiful on the R34, and then we have a green R33 GTT. Let's hope he does a popping and banging as he exits the event. And you saw the car as well, so let's hope he does it. Hope he does. That's intensely loud. Wow, see the flames popping as well. And off he goes. And this is R34 GTT, obviously leaving the event off. And off he goes as well. Oh, let's say that S2000, it's beautiful. Stance, body performance. Guessing these cars must be producing 5 HP plus the new sound. Yeah, loud. You see this yellow Honda Civic. Beautiful wheels, I do love it. It's perfect stance, a lot of camber. You see a burgundy on the Civic as well, which is a nice stance, nice look. Very, very nice, very clean. And now I'm here at the tracks, AE86 Corolla. I'm very close to this car, and you can see this flames fuel burning in my jeans. A bit scared, but yeah, off he goes. This tune SX as well. Escape from the drift event. on track. He's offering for Ford Saloon Skyline. Going to the pits to rest up. Here at Tuna SX, again, it's a drift car, producing, my guess, 500 plus bhp, maybe more. But I do love the color of the wheels. Definitely stands out from the crowd. It's like a lime green color, and obviously stick it up. Okay, so beautiful. And yeah, 350Z. My guesses he's done a wrap with this car, but it looks very unique. I do love it. Yeah, as the sun reflects, you see the shades fluorescent color. So very neat and tidy 350Z. One stands out from is this Toyota Glanza. You don't see them anymore in the UK. This is JDM Live Japfest, so you see some unique rare cars. Now this was a Monster Energy Drift 4x4. I was hoping you could track and do some mistakes. I guess it's like in the morning or some point. Yeah, very different compared to electric cars, sure. You see he's damaging as well, so still going on. Yeah, definitely damaged. See the structure where you see the Monster Energy truck. Now this Lexus LS400, it does. This is the show. That's all the show. Japfest, the wheels, stunning. They must be costing about £1,000 plus. And the colour of this is just absolutely unique. It's more or less an effect. See inside with the black out tinted lights. And this car is on, I guess it's on air ride. So beautiful stance. Let's pop it down. So yeah, well done to the owner who's spent some serious money. Stunning. This is the R34 GTR with a very massive turbo. Yeah, it's carbon fiber trimmings, black wheels. Owner is app exclusive. He is on Instagram, so you can follow him for his R34 GTR. I mean, the color is definitely unique. He has a last plate called Fast GTR. So I moved to the right. It changes color to purple, like a medium color. So expensive plate. I'm definitely sure that it will cost thousands of pounds just on paint alone. Looks beautiful, stunning R34 GTR. This is the R33 GT, R34 GT. Leaving the show is not much, and so JDM is not leaving. But he's done a very nice one. I'm pretty sure he's building turbos, bigger control system as well. So again, shout out to the owner who spent crazy money in his Skyline. Just behind me, you can see that Honda Civic. And that Civic is turbocharged, heavily modified. I'm not sure what the BHP is because there's no information on it. But you can tell by the engine he spent some crazy money and it looks insane. It's carbon fiber with modified manifold, bigger turbos, injectors, maybe fuel injected, operated injectors, lowered or Bonco lowers. So there's not much information, but that Civic there, it looks fanatic. I was just mesmerized when I looked at it, and it looks insane. It's pushing about 500 bhp, 400, but even at that bhp, it is very fast, it's very quick, and it's super light. So shout out to the guy who owns the vehicle. I'm guessing it's him here. So yeah, amazing build, amazing car. an amazing event.